Assalamu alaikum, dear Facebook friend viewers. How are you? I hope that you are fit and fine by the Almighty of Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty of Allah. Dear viewers and dear Facebook friend, today we have come here a master field. You know that the scenery is very beautiful to look at. Now we are standing inside a beautiful master field. Actually, the scenery is very so nice to look at. The scenery is very amusing to look at. Today I have come here with my daughter for visiting this field, this master field. Every day many people come here for visiting this scenery in the evening or afternoon. The scenery is very so nice to look at. At present we are standing inside the master field. Now I would like to introduce of my daughter. And stand up. What's your name?
My name is Sheikh Khadija Maimuna.
You say loudly. What's your name?
My name is Sheikh Khadija Maimuna.
Which class do you study?
I study in class nursery.
You study in class nursery. Look at the camera, and you say loudly. How old are you?
My
I am.
I am 7 years old.
Which class do you study? I study in class
I study in class nursery.
nursery. Actually, today we are